We're at our manufacturer partner here. We are going to drop off our bins and check on some parts that they're making for us. Let's go. Hey Travis.
Hey guys.
Good to see you. We got some bins for you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, you got any parts for us?
Oh, we got
any
one
running?
We've got one running right now.
All right, let's go see it. So this one is a adapter for 50 series John Deere drills, I think. Yep.
3458, right and left. So right now he's running first off on them. Yeah, there's a right hand and a left hand version, so we just run them all through on the first one. Get it prepped and ready with that 5/8 thread on that end.
Nice.
Starts out as raw hex. 12 valve.
Look at that.
Probably.
Nothing really special about that. But then it turns into something beautiful. So the other side is actually going to look similar to this, but it'll be a little bigger diameter. And what this does is it threads into a closing wheel arm, and then the wheel goes here. So there's a bearing, and then the nut holds the bearing, the wheel on here.
Sure. That very first one, you can hear it all over the shop.
So it's got that initial intermittent cut, which is making that almost vibrating noise.
The cut can be difficult on inserts sometimes.
Oh yeah.
I think Alpha saw it.
Yeah.
There's a little science into keeping the tip of the insert buried in the material.
Let's go see what else you got. I think you have a puller that you guys are working on. A pusher.
Oh, yeah.
A pusher for the shaft. And
Pusher, puller, however you want to say it.
So we'll go take a look at that.
Check that out.
Is there a demo to be had?
I just built it.
Oh.
I built it. Like that.
Look at that little thing. That is one neat little
It's a little 10-ton
cylinder. And we are unloading these bins because they are going to use these bins to put product in. And that product is for parts for air seeders. It is great to get those out of the truck though.